Alright guys, so in today's video what we're going to be doing is using Eastwood's paint prep and 2K Aero spray epoxy primer to seal up this 1969 Ford Torino. And the cool thing about this spray can is it allows you to spray like a professional gun. It sprays like a paint gun. And what they're meaning is that little red dial right there is an adjustment for the fan width on this spray can. Okay, and the instructions on this 2K Aero spray epoxy primer from Eastwood is to shake the can vigorously for 2 minutes. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is remove this crush cap and place it on the bottom of the can to activate the catalyst. And then what you're going to do is you're going to place the can on a flat surface without removing the cap, and you're going to press down firmly all the way to activate. And what that's going to do is crack the catalyst inside. And then you need to shake this can for an additional 2 minutes, and then your can will be good for spraying up to 48 hours. So be sure to spray all of your epoxy primer before then, otherwise it will go bad. So as many of you know, the most important step to painting is preparation. So we'll be starting with Eastwood's paint prep, and we're going to apply it generously and wipe away with a tack-free cloth or any terry cloth of your choice. Okay, that's 2 minutes. Next step says to take this out and install it on the bottom and to push flat. Shake for another 2 minutes. Before we go ahead and get started painting, what you want to make sure that you do have is a well ventilated area. So I've got one fan here, one fan there. I've got a fan inside here as well, as I'm going to be wearing my respirator. So I almost forgot to show you guys the fan adjustment on the nozzle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So you see how wide that fan is? I think that's ideal. So what we're going to do is go ahead and narrow the fan by adjusting this dial. So we're going to go ahead and turn all the way to the left. As you can see, it's a lot smaller fan. And go ahead and turn it to the left all the way. Just by the adjustment on this dial, you can adjust the fan width on a spray paint can. How cool is that? Alright guys, this is directly after I sprayed the 2K Aero Spray Epoxy Primer from Eastwood, and my honest reaction is this is one of the best products I've ever used. It is quality. The ability to adjust the fan width on the nozzle on a spray can is next level. So it allows you to get in these broad open areas where it's easy to spray, but also gets you the ability to spray in those tight nooks and crannies and adjust the pattern. And also you can adjust the direction of the nozzle. But most importantly, thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up.